Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with a DEK haul. So let's get busy. I took it out of the main envelope, but I have not opened it, as you can hear me break the seal. So hold on, let me pull that out. And then here we go. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness gracious. I am trying to see what this is. Hold on. It is very rare. I guess I did just order one. That is so weird. Oh, this is mystery kit. What am I thinking? This is the mystery kit. Yay! All right. So this is the mystery kit for April. Oh, look at these. I love that. Thank you. Thank you, Dawn. And I love her. I love her too. I mean, it just represents our family. I love it. It's gorgeous. Beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, my goodness gracious. Alexa, skip to Friday. I love it. Oh my goodness. So it's got a silver foiling. How beautiful, and pink, and so pretty. Okay, so this is the April mystery kit. I am really behind. You know, it's really hard for me to get my mail. Nothing like living in the country. Oh, I love that. And I love the tulips. Love the tulips. I was just looking at some of her things today thinking, I wonder why she didn't do tulips this year. She did. Silly me. I try not to look at everybody else's stuff so that I can be surprised when I get mine. Oh, I love the functionals and the days of the week. So beautiful. Love the washi. And speaking of washi, we'll look at that in a minute. Perfect. You can write on these. You can see your list. These are perfect. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Those headers are so beautiful. They're glitter headers and they're gorgeous. And of course, I love all the labeled headers as well. So beautiful. Yes. And the functionals and the date dots. Oh, the date dots are tiny. These would be perfect in my Hobonichi. I know all about the Hobonichi. Oh, I love this. So beautiful. These are really smaller and I like them. Perfect. 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 And then, look at that. Isn't that cute? Oh my goodness. And I love these. Goodness gracious. What a gorgeous, gorgeous mystery kit. So if you guys aren't, tell you what, I will plan with this week. I will leave this out. But if you are not aware of DEK's two kits, there's a subscription box, which I love. And I get the subscription box as well. But I just discovered, I don't know how I missed it, the mystery kit. And with it, you get a partial. And then I'm going to count this out. So one, let me make sure I'm getting them all. Two, sorry guys, three, whoops, three, 4, 5, 6, looks like 8, and then a partial pages. How gorgeous is that? And then look at this gorgeous, gorgeous washi. And I just want to give you a little heads up. I'm going to post this video today, and today is Sunday special, so you know there's all kinds of Sunday specials. So if you will go over to my Instagram, you can get my code, and you can look at what's on special today. And if you aren't following me there, I'd highly like to invite you and highly encourage you to, because that's where I post all of the gorgeousness from DEK. And anyways, but there's some goodies going to be coming out soon. I'm super excited. She's put a real effort into washi, and I'm super excited. So this is the backed washi. If you've never seen that, you just cut what you need, and then you peel it from that, and it makes it so nice to use. And this isn't so thick that you feel like you're not getting the value. Does that make sense? Because some of them come so thick you feel like, well, most of that's the backing. What happened? So anyways, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. So, and actually, why not do this and you can see it better. So I hope you guys like this. Let me know. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and leave a comment. What is your favorite part? I mean, I love the butterfly. It's so sweet, but I really do love the flowers. I'm a flower girl. No big secret there, and I am a huge washi girl as well. So let me know what you think. Okay, friends, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Again, today is Sunday special for DEKDesigns.com, and you're welcome to go. If you do, my link will be below. My discount code will be below. You can go to my Instagram. That's listed below too. And you can see what's on special today. And for everything that's not on special or subscription kit or box, you can use my discount code. So if you have a mix order, totally works. I do it all the time. So, okay, friends, let me know below what you like the most. And most importantly, I pray your day is blessed, creative, and lovely. Thanks so much for being here. Like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And yeah, I'll be talking to you soon. Y'all take care and have a beautiful, beautiful spring weekend. All right, guys. Love y'all. Be safe. Bye-bye.